No, no. Look at me.
Chaos and cuteness perfectly combined in one little animal.
Buddy, you can't. Sweet Pea has to leave now. Buddy, you're dragging Sweet Pea. No. Buddy, Sweet Pea has to go.
Anyway, I don't blame you. She's not.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
What, my intel's no good?
No, it's no good. See,
Luca.
Can I have this? Thank you. Bitch. Charlie! Come here.
You guys, look at my cat. Look at it.
That was Olympic level chaos, and I love it.
What's happening? Why is my table moving? Get out. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
I swear, dogs just have a natural talent for making me laugh.
I hear something rustling out here. Dude! What are you doing? Hello? Hello? Come on in here. Hello, pretty girl. Stop. No. Maple.
Every single cat thinks they're a ninja.
Oh no. Oh, I fucked up. I should not have shown you that. Anyways, I turned it on for a reason. Thank you. Why is it completely black? Like...
So I got home, I heard my cat meowing, I'm like, why hasn't he run over to me yet? Yo, dumbass.
Look at that attitude. It's like the world revolves around her.
Sleeping, don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me, you're bugging me. You're gonna pay for this when you're asleep.
Coño. Every 3 months, the police would come and all the hostesses who didn't have visas would have to go out the back door. That felt like a very vulnerable situation for those girls.
The level of drama coming from this cat is unreal.
Still a Chick-fil-A nugget?
You had, come here. You had to fit through here. Come on, right here. Come on. Good job.
I'm convinced cats are born comedians without even trying.
Blah 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 blah.
Are you hoping for food? Okay.
Look what my husband did to him. Jack. Jack, come here. Jack.
Watch your ass up, buddy!
This dog is literally having the best day of his life right now.
Oh, and I fucking knew it! One baby Buddha, two baby Buddhas.
Look at this silly little dog. He wants me to... Oh! Alright, watch as soon as I pick it up. He wants to eat in bed. I know he shouldn't be in that angle, but it's what he wants. Brody! Brody!
This little clown has me laughing harder than any comedian.
Yes. Are you showing me your empty belly? Oh, it's so empty.
Days where you don't get hits. How else can you help us win? Drew's a really good defender. He can play all three outfield spots.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the Sting
That
Zone
move was
with
not nearly as smooth
the
as he
tarantula.
imagined.
Go for it.
1, 2, here we go, 3.
Yep, that's classic cat behavior. They're so predictable and unpredictable at the same time.
Mervyn Cumberland Weems, I love you.